What is up, guys? This is Chris with Leveling Up Your Finances, and today we're going to continue on with the Luna crash. This has been pretty insane. Luna crashes to under $2. We thought Monday was bad for UST and Luna. Tuesday said, hold my beer, and then took it to another level. It was pretty insane. We'll drop into the chart in a second here, but let's see. So in the last 24 hours, this was probably Tuesday, UST fought its way back up to 85 cents range and then completely collapsed as low as 38 cents. Luna went from $32 down to $2.20. It's way below that. So as the time of publishing, again, way below that now. And the anchor has seen an additional 6 billion UST get withdrawn, and the bank run continues. So let's look at Terra USD right now as the time of me filming this. I had it loaded, but of course it doesn't want to. Okay, so it's sitting out about 9 cents, just under 9 cents. And as you can see, here's from 8 a.m. to, well, yesterday basically is what it is. So it did have a couple little bumps here. Let's check out the 7 days. It's pretty interesting. So you can see it had a major sell-off, and then it did have its little bounce right here on the 18th. About 2:30 in the morning. And then let's go check out Luna. So Luna's obviously going to be way worse. Sorry again, I had it pulled up, but it went down. So it's still under 0.0001 now. Nice. So you can see again, it's just a slow, not slow, but very steep sell-off. And you look at this 7 day, it's absolutely insane. So around the 12th was, if you were going to try to get into on the bounce here, it was the 12th was your day. So right now it's just basically dead, and it's not going anywhere at the moment. And this Twitter one was pretty funny. Again, I had it pulled up. I don't know why my computer's being stupid with this. So the CEO of Terra, here we go. This is pretty for Freddie Reynolds, I guess. A few weeks ago, I responded to a TBR90's tweet with a brief outline of how a wealthy attacker could not only break the Terra money, but profit heavily doing it with Soros-style's Black Wednesday attack. Below, I provided a detailed breakdown, 1 billion capital needed. And there you go. So this guy predicted it on November 25th, 2021. And of course, the CEO of Terra, probably the most retarded thread I've read this decade. Silence is perfectly acceptable option if you're stupid. Billionaires in my following, go ahead and see what happens. Well, we definitely saw what happened. So that was pretty good. I apologize. I haven't lost money in Luna because I bought afterwards hoping to get on the bounce. So I'm still like nothing in Luna. But anyways, let's see. So what really happened this time? People are scared and are still looking to exit their positions, obviously. Everyone was waiting for the recovery plan, which there wasn't really one. And he took over 24 hours to say the exchanges halted UST and Luna trading on Monday. It reopened Tuesday again. They were halted. I think they're halted again as of yesterday, but I'd have to look into that again. People were obviously looking to exit. It's unknown how much gunpowder the Luna Foundation Guard has left in Bitcoin reserves, but everyone's guess is not much. There was rumors earlier in the day that part of their exit plan was a 1 billion to 1.5 billion capital injection, but this seems to have fallen apart. So we covered that as well. So he did announce a UST recovery plan, and basically it's just let the chaos continue, just let it completely unwind in order for the UST to start repegging itself to the dollar. And there's just no way around it. He's proposing to accelerate the burn rate for UST by 4 times, making the pain go away quicker, so rip the band-aid off instead of just pulling it slowly. I get that, that's cool. UST gets rebuilt, hopefully, but this time instead of an algorithmic stablecoin, it's going to be a collateralized one, so there'll be assets backing it instead of just like basic code kind of thing. Another tweet put out by him saying things are going to get ugly for UST and Luna holders. Naturally, this is a high cost to UST and Luna holders, but we will continue to explore various options to bring in more exogenous capital to the ecosystem and reduce supply overhang on the UST. And he ends with Terra's return to form will be a sight, to behold. We are here to stay, and we're going to keep making noise. Well, I mean, they are. They're definitely taking the news for the past week, probably into next week. We'll see. So this is Milk Road. So this is the newsletter that we're covering right now, Milk Roads. That's pretty solid newsletter so far. So I'll put my link down below if you guys want to jump on and use my referral link. You don't have to. You can just go to their website too if you want. That's up to you. But that way you can get this sent straight to your email, and you can get all this info before I actually make a video, because sometimes it takes time to make videos. I have a life, barely, but I do. So their take is looking like the fall of Terra is one of the biggest collapses in crypto history. Obviously, we've seen it. It was pretty big. It was 20 billion market cap stable with 40 billion market cap L1 network to nearly zero in a week is definitely brutal. And then capital is drying up fast and trust is completely gone. They had quite a bit of money in Milk Road specifically. They had quite a bit of money in the portfolio. And this is what they think. What we saw was a sophisticated player come in with a huge bankroll, over 1 billion of sell pressure. Yes, that's what we're seeing. And then great timing. They attacked Terra, was moving liquidity, so breaking the peg was easier. So they say we're going to take the L. Okay, guys. So remember, this is crypto. They're taking the L, the loss, and they're going to learn with it and carry on. So note this. Please note this when you're investing. And I say investing in crypto loosely. There's a lot of crypto that's still just gambling and speculation. So take investing loosely defined here, investing. So investing in crypto is inherently risky. The odds of making a major L are high. They've seen the biggest exchange get hacked by Mt. Gox. I don't remember this one, but smart contracts buying, draining projects to zero. Scammers stealing wallet passwords. This happens a lot. And then now a peg break from 20 billion stablecoin, which is insane. So when normal conservative investors like myself, that's what I came from. It wasn't until about 2017 that I even started looking into crypto just for what it was. And then recently with this last big push, I really jumped in. But when you're looking at from the outside in, from like a stock market perspective, it does seem when these crypto crazies, are these people drunk? And yes, most of us are. All the time. We're alcoholics. No, I'm just kidding, guys. But it's with the crazy volatility, it does appear absolutely insane. But if you really think about it, like I believe it's Sean, he comes from the startup investing world. So you might have a portfolio of 30 companies. 25 of those companies will fail or break even if you're lucky. And then 3 will have returns of 3 times. And then 1 or 2 companies will go up 100x plus. And crypto is very similar. And that's honestly the best way I've ever even heard it explained, because it's exactly like that. It's a numbers game for sure, guys. So we are big boys here. So no crying over milk that's lost 92% of its value in 3 days. And of course, they end with a little smiley face. So again, guys, that's a great newsletter. If you guys want to just get like the brief overview, they have a great way of breaking down everything. So I'll put my referral link down in the description. If you want to use it, that's up to you. Or again, you could just go to their website. It's called themilkroad.com. At the end of the day, guys, remember, stay awesome and keep loving each other. Later.